So, you're thinking about using Beforepay? That's a great choice for managing your finances. But here's the burning question: does Beforepay make you pay the first payment? Let's dive right in. Understanding Beforepay. Beforepay is a financial technology company that offers a unique service. It allows you to get paid early for work you've already done. This can be a lifesaver, especially when you need quick access to your earnings. The first payment myth. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. No, Beforepay does not make you pay the first payment. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Beforepay advances you a portion of your earnings, typically a percentage, before your regular payday. How does it work? Sign up, create an account on the Beforepay platform. Connect your accounts, link your bank account and employer information. Request an advance. Once your account is verified, you can request an advance on your upcoming paycheck. Receive funds. The funds are typically deposited into your bank account within a few business days. The benefits of using Beforepay. Financial flexibility. Access your earnings early to cover unexpected expenses or plan for future needs. Improved cash flow. Smooth out your financial situation by receiving payments earlier. Simple and convenient. The user-friendly platform makes it easy to request and receive advances. Key considerations. While Beforepay offers a valuable service, it's essential to use it responsibly. Here are some things to keep in mind. Fees. Beforepay typically charges a small fee for its services. Be sure to understand the fee structure before requesting an advance. Repayment. The amount you advance, plus the fee, will be automatically deducted from your next paycheck. Over-reliance. Avoid relying too heavily on Beforepay. Use it as a tool to manage unexpected expenses, not as a long-term solution. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for managing your finances and gaining control over your cash flow. By understanding how it works and using it wisely, you can leverage its benefits without falling into a debt cycle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.